Hi South Africa, this is Noreen from Goa, Go Jacket team. I would like to tell you, I praise and thank the Lord for sending Steve to Goa. It was a great pleasure to have him. We did a lot in this week. We got to know a lot about the Holy Spirit, the encounter of the Holy Spirit. I also thank him for allowing us to get out on a treasure hunt, which I always would worry what the treasure hunt would be. But to tell you the truth, we really did enjoy that week. It was such an amazing week for us that we went out on the beach and we had to meet people, which was very difficult for me. And but the flow was going on of the Holy Spirit. And we met a guy and he happened to look at us and ask us, what is this banner about? We had put a banner. And I told him, I said, there's nothing. This is just free healing. And he just wanted to know what was healing. So he knew only in Hindi. So I had to talk to him in Hindi. And when I spoke to him and I closed my eyes for a moment, God just revealed to me that he is going to get a job of a security. So I asked him, are you going to get a job of a security guard? So he said, yes, today is my day and I'm going for my interview. Oh, I said, Lord, how great are you? You talk to us in ways we cannot even imagine, Father. And it was a great time talking to him and he coming to know, and he just wanted to know how God could talk to anyone. But I told him, I said it was God who was really talking. And I came to know what a treasure hunt is and how to humble myself. I'm so thankful to Steve and thankful to God for sending Steve here to Goa. And I prayed that he would come back again soon. Thank you guys.